Hello students, today we are going to learn about the human body, that is your chapter 2, and we will discuss more about number 1 internal organs, number 2 respiratory system, number 3 air pollution. Now let us see how human body is made up of. Cells. The living organisms are made up of small structures called cells. The cell is a basic structural unit of a living organism. Cells are very small. They cannot be seen with naked eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. Tissues. Cells, when grouped together, form a tissue. Organ. A group of tissue form an organ. Organ system. Many organs together form an organ system. All the organ systems together form an organism. Our body has many parts, and each part of the body has something important to do. So, let's see how. Our internal organs. The outer parts of our body like eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, etc. are called external organs. There are many other delicate organs which help our body to function properly. These organs are brain, heart, lungs, etc. are known as internal organs. Internal organs. The brain. The brain is a very important organ of our body. It is located inside the head. It controls all the activities, movements, memories, and decisions of the body. It also tells the other organs what to do through nerves. The heart. The heart is one of the most important organs of the body. It is located on the left side of the chest cavity and it is well protected by a rib cage. It is continuously pumping blood in our body through blood vessels. The lungs. Our body has two lungs that lie in the chest cavity. They help us to breathe in oxygen. The oxygen from the air mixes with the blood and carbon dioxide is given out. The liver. The liver is the largest internal organ in our body, located in the upper right side of the abdomen. This organ produces chemicals that help in the digestion, meaning breaking down of food. The kidneys. Our body has two bean-shaped organs called kidneys. They remove liquid waste from our body. They filter the blood to produce urine. The stomach. The stomach is located in the upper abdomen of the body. The food we eat goes to the stomach through the food pipe. The food is broken into smaller pieces in stomach. Thus, the stomach helps in the digestion of the food. So children, let's end the video here itself. I will explain you about respiratory system and air pollution in next video. Thank you.